Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Gulshan. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to talk about some of the best books that will help you get started with learning English. Because some of you were asking me what kinds of books to read to build fluency, what kinds of books to read to build vocabulary, and what kinds of books to read to get fluency. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Today in this video I am going to give you 3 best books in my opinion that I myself have read and become fluent. As a Hindi medium student, I had zero knowledge of English, so I started with these books that I'm going to provide you in this video that helped me become a fluent speaker in this language, that made me fluent in English. Now let's talk about the first book that helped me get started with learning English. Coming from a Hindi medium background, I had zero knowledge of English, as I told you, and if I had to learn English and if I had to speak English, I needed to find a way through which I could learn English, and I found this book named Super Fast English. अंग्रेजी सीखने का भारत का सबसे तेज़ एंड सबसे जानदार और सबसे अलग तरीका, सुपर फास्ट इंग्लिश. Like this was the book I get started with, and this has built my foundation of English, and this is going to teach you everything you need to become fluent in English. Like it contains everything, it has everything that you need to become a fluent speaker in this language. And I had bought this book in 2021 if I am not wrong, and I just absorbed this book and I learned every single thing that this book contains, and it got me started. Like I got started with speaking English. It has everything you need, from vocabulary to sentence formation to grammar. It has almost everything you need to become a fluent speaker in English. So this was the book I got started with, that like it will get you started on the English fluency journey. If you read this book and if you actually absorb this book, you will learn very quickly. Like you will learn English very quickly. That's my promise, because this is something I have read myself and became a fluent speaker in this language. Now let me talk about the second book, which is the best book I have ever found on sentence formation. If you are a intermediate level English learner and if you find yourself struggling with forming sentences in your mind while speaking, I think this is the best book you can ever buy. And this book name is Instant English, अंग्रेजी तुरंत. इस समय भारत में उपलब्ध एकमात्र पुस्तक जो आपको आपकी अंग्रेजी जड़ से मजबूत करती है. It delivers what it promises. I can say that after learning from this book that it delivers what it promises. This is the best book you can ever buy to learn how to form sentences in your mind while speaking. This is something I have absorbed, and I learned every single sentence from this book, and it made my English effortless. That's what I'm saying. If you absorb this book, if you learn every single sentence, I think you are going to be effortless while speaking English. This book has that ability. This book has the power to transform your communication skills in English completely. I have read this book, I have used whatever it's in this book, and it made my English effortless. And if you are a beginner, you can go for this book. If you are an intermediate level English learner, you can also go for this book and learn every sentence from this book, and you will become a very fluent speaker in English. Now let me talk about the third book which will help you improve your vocabulary. If you have weak vocabulary, you are always struggling with vocabulary problem, I think this is the book named Black Book of English Vocabulary by Nikhil Gupta. This is the best book I have ever found on vocabulary. It has everything you need. like this is going to satisfy you. It has everything. I am still using this book. I'm still learning from this book every single day. If you are struggling with vocabulary problem, you can go for this book. No doubt that this book is going to help you. This book has the power to build your vocabulary. Yeah, these are the 3 books that have gotten me to where I am today. I have learned to speak English effortlessly, I think, and I have become very comfortable with speaking English. As a Hindi medium student, these books have been very beneficial for me in my journey of speaking English, and I think you must buy these books if you are struggling with speaking English, and these books are going to help you speak English fluently. These books are going to help you with the problem that you are struggling, whether it's vocabulary problem, whether it's sentence formation problem, or whether it's you not getting started with English language. The first book I have recommended is the best book that will get you started on the path of learning English, and you will actually start speaking English if you read that book. So yeah, that's for today. If you found this video helpful, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and I also want you to hit the like button because it motivates me to make more videos. If you have any doubts or any questions, comment in the comment section and I'll help you with that. Bye bye.